Hey people, as for today, we're gonna teach you how to download AFK Journey for PC. For a bit of background, we used to had to use BlueStacks in order to play this on PC, but much like with the bigger titles in mobile gaming, they've released a PC version which is compatible with mouse and keyboard. Nowadays, it's very simple, just type AFK Journey for PC and here it is the top result. In fact, they still sponsor BlueStacks and for the PC version. Now it will take you to this page, AFK Journey's main page. Just click PC download. It should show the downloading. Start, it just opens up here and you are good to go. Fully mouse compatible. Just give it a few minutes to install because it is 6 gig. Now understandably, the file size is smaller on mobile, but 6 gig isn't so bad compared to other games. It's fine. And there you go, very simple. If you have any other questions, you can always just ask us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out. See you next time.